Many people dream of running a business that lets them work from anywhere, a location independent business. Imagine earning money while traveling, living in another city, or even working from home without being tied to physical office. It is possible, but it requires planning, the right tools, and a mindset focused on the flexibility and automation. In this video, I will explain how to build a location independent business in a simple way so anyone can start taking the steps toward freedom and flexibility. A location independent business is simply a business that does not depend on you being in a specific place. It can be online services, digital products, coaching, consulting, or e commerce that can run remotely. The main advantage is freedom. You can work from anywhere with internet access, reach a global audience, and often reduce the cost compared to the traditional office. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you create systems that let you work smarter, not harder. In today's video, we will learn how to build a location independent business so you can earn income from anywhere in the world. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to explore the tools and platforms that help you to run a remote business. By using the description links, any available free trial or special offers that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. The first step is to choose the type of business you want. Location independent business are usually online, but the type depends on your skills and interests. For example, you could offer freelance services like writing, graphic design, or programming. You could sell the digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates. You could run an e-commerce store that ships worldwide or even start a consulting or coaching business where meetings happen online. So choose something that fits your skills and can be delivered remotely. Next, you need the right tools. Tools for communication, project management, and sales are essential. Platforms like Zoom, Slack, or Microsoft Team that help you to connect with clients and team members anywhere. Tools like the Trello, Monday.com, or Asana keep your projects organized. Payment tools like PayPal, Stripe, or Wise that help you to get paid from any clients worldwide. Choosing reliable tools allows you to run your online business smoothly without being tied to a single location. Another important step is building an online presence. This can be a website, social media profiles, or a portfolio to showcasing your work. A professional online presence helps clients to find you and trust your business. If you sell products, a website or e-commerce platform becomes your digital store. If you offer services, a website or portfolio highlights your skills and testimonials. Even if you travel often, these online assets remain active for 24/7, promoting your business for you. Automation is also a key factor. A location independent business works best when repetitive tasks are automated. For example, email marketing tools can send the follow-up messages to clients automatically. Social media scheduling tools can post updates for your brand. AI tools can help you with content creation, customer service, and other routine work. Automation saves time and allows you to focus on growth and higher value tasks. Another tip is manage your work schedule effectively. Being location independent does not mean working less. It means working smarter. Set the clear work hours, deadlines, and goals for your projects. Use calendars, task lists, and reminders to stay organized. Even though you may work from the beach or cafe, having the structure ensures your productivity and success. Then, building a team can also help scale your business. Even if you start alone, hiring freelancers or virtual assistants for specific tasks like design, customer support, or marketing that can free up your time. This allows you to focus on high-level work while others handle routine tasks remotely. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and online communities make it easier to find these skilled remote workers. Finally, focus on marketing and attracting clients globally. A location independent business often relies on online visibility. Use social media, email marketing, content creation, and networking to reach your clients anywhere in the world. Quality content, professional communication, and consistency help you to build a reputation that crosses the borders. So that's it for today's video. If this guide helped you to understand how to build a location independent business, give this video a like and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more simple business strategies like this. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.